This is a sample questions for Transport Canada Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Exam for Standard and Practices. Part 7. Before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe so you will be notified for my new video. Question: what does SAE means? Answer: Society of Automotive Engineers. Question: what is the value of 1 HP? Answer: SSO feet IBF/S, or 33,000 feet IBF/M. Question: how is total resistance calculated in a series circuit? Answer: RT equals or 1 plus or 2 plus or 3, sum of the resistance. Question: what happens to voltage across resistors in a series circuit? Answer: drops. Question: what happens to voltage across a resistor in a parallel circuit? Answer: stay the same. Question: what happens to current as resistance increases in a parallel circuit? Answer: decreases. Question: what is true about current in a parallel circuit? Answer: total current is equal to the sum of the currents through the individual branches of the circuit. Question: what happens to the current in a capacitance circuit? Answer: leads voltage by 90 degrees. Question: what should be the working voltage of a capacitor? Answer: 50% more than the highest voltage applied to it. Question: /not law states that pressure set up in a fluid act equally in all directions? Answer: Pascal's law. Question: who stated that the pressure of a fluid decreases at points where the velocity of the fluid increases? Answer: Bernoulli's. Question: how are repairs to honeycomb structures usually carried out? Answer: after the damage is removed, a fiberglass honeycomb core plug is inserted with a glass cloth overlay repair. Question: what are the 5 types of stress? Answer: tension, compression, bending, torsion, shear. Question: when the ELT test can be carried out? Answer: ELT should only be tested during the first 5 minutes after any hour. Question: which kind of corrosion causes smoking rivets? Answer: frittering corrosion. Question: in a cylinder, both the volume and temperature are doubled. What will happen to the pressure? Answer: stay the same. Question: the sharpest curve or bend of a sheet can be bent without critically weakening the metal at the bend is called? Answer: minimum radius. Question: the radius of bend of a sheet of material as measured on the inside of the curved material is called what? Answer: bend radius. Question: what type of logic gate would only give an output when both inputs are 0? Answer: NAND. Question: what happens to the semiconductor material of a transistor when it is heated beyond its normal operating range? Answer: can be permanently damaged by heat or by the reverse polarity of the power supply. Question: what is an isometric drawing? Answer: all vertical lines are straight up and down and all horizontal are at 30 degrees. Question: what are two types of fittings used on lines? Answer: flared and flareless and swaged. And fitting: conventional and pipe threaded. Question: what is the advantages of Teflon line hoses? Answer: unaffected by any known fuels or hydraulic liquids and their operating strength. Question: what type of load should clevis pins be subjected to? Answer: shear stresses. Question: why are rivets refrigerated after heat treatment? Answer: so it stays soft enough for use. Question: what has the lowest specific gravity? Answer: fuel 0.72. Question: what is the name of the tool required to make exterior threads? Answer: die. Question: a dent on a wire should not exceed? Answer: no more than 20%. Question: what is the chemical composition of the ambient air? Answer: 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 1% other gases. Question: What temperature should the parts be when using the liquid dye penetrant inspection method? Answer: 20 degrees Celsius. Question: what is used to inspect fluorescent penetrants? Answer: blacklight. Question: what is the vernier caliper maximum length? Answer: 6 inches. Thank you for watching.